Hey there, welcome back to the Meat Thinker channel. Here is my installment of Copycat 5 Guys Burger on a flat top griddle, so let's get to it. I was running errands last weekend and drove by a 5 Guys restaurant in a shopping strip. It was almost lunchtime and I was thinking I could stop in to pick up a burger for a quick lunch. Then I remembered a news article showing how expensive their menu was. I know, they're expensive because of their fresh ingredients and added labor to prep and cook, but spending $100 for a quick lunch wasn't something I was going to do. Then I was craving a burger thinking about it, so I decided to stop by H-E-B to pick up some ground beef and headed home to make burgers at home.
Shouldn't smell like that.
So I brought home 80-20 ground beef, burger buns, lettuce, onion, tomato, Kraft American singles, ketchup, and mustard. As soon as I got home, I got started on the meal prep right away. Took 2 pounds of ground beef and loosely turned it into golf ball sized beef patty balls. I got about 15 balls out of 2 pounds of meat. Next, fire up the griddle. Spread some avocado oil and heat it up until it smokes. While it gets hot, wash the veggies and slice them up to have them ready for burgers when the patties are done. The griddle is piping hot. Throw on the beef patties and immediately smash them with spatulas. Smash them thin and season with salt and pepper. Less than 2 minutes, it will have nice sears on them because you would have to peel them off the griddle by wedging spatula under the patties. Flip them over and continue to sear the second side. While the patties are finishing off, set the patties aside and clean the surface for the buns. Melt butter on the griddle and place buns on the top of a pool of butter. Let it sit to toast and crispy. Add a single slice of American cheese on each patty and let it melt. Stack 2 patties together and it is now ready to come off the griddle. Buns are nicely toasted as well. All this took less than 5 minutes on the griddle. And it's time for the final assembly. Spread ketchup and mustard evenly. Add double patties, place lettuce, onion slices, and tomatoes, and top it up with a bun. Now it's ready to eat. But you can't call it a Copycat 5 Guys burger unless you wrap it in aluminum foil. Let's wrap it up nicely. It does look like a 5 Guys burger. I can proudly say I was telling the truth to my kids. We have 5 Guys burger at home. There you have it, a Copycat 5 Guys burger. What other restaurant menus that you thought were too pricey that you would rather cook at home? Was it worth the extra labor to make it at home to save money? Please share other home-cooked menus in the comment section below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.